Hello guys, today we'll try to learn what is a Fibonacci retracement levels in technical analysis and trading. So Fibonacci retracement levels are horizontal lines that indicate where support and resistance are likely to occur. Okay, so they are based on Fibonacci numbers, so that's why it is called Fibonacci retracement. Each level is associated with the percentage. The percentage is how much of prior move the price has retraced. Okay, so Fibonacci retracements are popular among technical traders like me. In technical analysis, a Fibonacci retracement is created by taking two extreme points, usually a peak, like we have a peak over here, okay, and one here. We have we have a peak, okay. So we take two extreme points, like I explained right now, on a on a on a crypto chart and dividing the vertical distance by the key Fibonacci ratio. So from this point to this point there is a vertical distance, and we will divide it into Fibonacci ratios like 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 100%. So we'll see it in action in a while. So we will select Fibonacci retracement from here. We can also use shortcut keys like Alt F. So we'll select it from here and we'll take an extreme point that is around 9602. It is here. Just a second. Okay, I'll take an extreme point this and draw a Fibonacci retracement chart over it till this extreme point. You get me? Uh, just here. Okay. Wow. So we have drawn a Fibonacci retracement chart over it from this extreme point to this extreme point. So it was a vertical distance. We have divided into horizontal lines. These are horizontal lines. We have divided this vertical distance into these horizontal lines in Fibonacci ratios. So we have 0.786618, 0.5, 0.382, 0.236, and I want to show you over here that 0.618 is a golden Fibonacci ratio. It is said to be a golden Fibonacci ratio. I'll just tell you why. Do you see this? This golden Fibonacci ratio is around 675, and we have seen that there was a quick wick. This green candle has a quick wick that is touching to 0.618 golden Fibonacci ratio. That means that this 618 ratio is now holding as a support to this trend. Are you getting me? So this is holding as a support right now. So here we uh, make assumptions basis on this Fibonacci retracement that 618 is holding a support over here, a strong support over here, then it is very likely that it will not go down from here. But yes, anything is possible. This is just one technical indicator, but we use it, so that's why I'm explaining it to you. So, and we have seen that in past few days Zilliqa price has not dropped below this level. So my motive to select this chart was to show you this is very clearly shown over here that how it is acting as a support. Okay, so what about the other levels? So 618 is holding as a support right now. In case if it breaks, like if Bitcoin becomes volatile and moves up and down, then because Bitcoin dominance is very high right now, so it is more likely that altcoins will bleed. So if they bleed, then it is most likely that Zilliqa will lose this support, that 618 support, and it will fall till, you know, here 0.318. Why not point 0.5? Because in technical terms we do not consider it as a good support. But yes, if we see over here, you know, we have a significant amount of support over here also, so we can get a support over here. But in general terms we don't consider it as a support, but yes, in this case it can act as a strong support. Okay, so if you go down 318, you can see that this wick is touching it. Okay, so it acted as a resistance to the down below trend, the trend which is below this horizontal line. It acted as a resistance. Okay, and same cases for 2.236, it is acting as a resistance over here. It has acted as a support over here. So this is all about what is a Fibonacci retracement chart. Okay, so thank you so much guys.